decided to turn away from the Lord. So, we can conclude that this situation is just, that they were worthy of going through temptations. As they sowed, so should they reap. Galatians 6, verse 7. But we can now ask a question. If I did not sow disobedience, why then does the fig tree not bloom with flowers? Why does the fruit not come? Why does this work not appear? Why does it not happen? Do we find anywhere in the Bible where Jesus promises only glory and peaceful days? You cannot find it. But he has been very honest by saying that in this world we will have tribulations. John 16, verse 33.